In this balanced three-phase YY system, the source is an ABC sequence set of voltages with VAN equal to 120 at 40 degrees volts RMS. Since the source voltages are balanced, the other voltages are plus and minus 120 degrees apart from VAN with the same magnitude. The per phase impedance of the Y-connected load is 10 plus J8 ohms. If the line impedance is 0.6 plus J0.4 ohms, our task in this problem is to find the line currents and load voltages. Because the system has a balanced load and a three-phase balanced supply, we need only to consider one phase of the system. The other remaining phases have the same magnitudes but are shifted by 120 degrees. Consider now the circuit for the A phase shown here. In this circuit, lowercase letters are used to represent the source end of the network and capital letters are representing the load end of the network. The line current for the A phase is, according to Ohm's law, IAA is equal to VAN divided by the quantity of the line impedance plus the load impedance. Plugging in our known values and converting the denominator into polar coordinate notation to facilitate the calculation, we get IAA equal to 8.87 at 1.6 degree amps RMS. Then the load voltage drop across the load for this phase is VAN is equal to IAA times the load impedance. Again, plugging in our known values and converting all the phasors to polar coordinate notation to facilitate the calculation, we get 113.59 at 40.26 degree volts. The voltages and currents results for the other two remaining phases are the same magnitude as the A phase, but plus or minus 120 degrees apart from their voltage and current counterparts. And this is what we set out to do in the first place, so we are done. In recent years, the reality of climate change has become impossible to ignore. Severe weather events are growing more frequent and more intense. For homeowners, this means that utility power outages are no longer inconveniences. They can last for hours, days, or in extreme cases, even longer. The question is no longer if, but when. You'll need a solution to keep your homes powered and your family safe. When it comes to residential power backup, EcoFlow offers a range of solutions suitable for everything from powering a single appliance during a short outage to running an entire home in the event of an extended blackout. You can have a look at all of these options that are available by simply going to this web address. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB.